Hey, welcome to my channel. So today we are unboxing a box, but we're doing it a little different because we are doing Stitch Fix for men. My lovely husband will be the model. Did you really just stick your hand in the frame like that?
At least I didn't stick my finger in a pallet.
That'll be cut out. That wasn't funny. That was horrible. Here we go. Okay, so while my husband is getting dressed, just real quick, this is Stitch Fix. My husband does pay the $20 styling fee per box, opposed to having the styling pass, which costs $49 a year. I will insert his note in the corner, and I will also insert the tag in the corner, or the price sheet in the corner. So here we have the first outfit. For the shirt, we have the Fairlane 24/7 shirt in navy for $68. We also have the Calvin Klein Malbon suit separate pant in a dark gray for $99. And we also have the Hawker Rye Porwina Speed Lace Derby in dark gray for $85. I think that this is a decent outfit. As you can see, the shirt has little polka dots. Of course, I have no idea how to focus. There we go. And then we come down here to the pants, and they are just a solid gray. I apologize for my lighting because it is nighttime outside. And I really do like these shoes. I think they're very stylish. I think that they will go well for his work. And also they will go nice when we go out to fancy dinners. So next we have the Fairlane linen straight fit pant in blue for $78. We also have the Fairlane Ashley Suppema cotton dress shirt for $74. And of course, he is wearing the same shoes that were the Hawker Rye for $85. Now, this shirt, I don't necessarily like this kind of print. I don't like plaid. I'm not entirely sure. Like, I'm kind of on the fence with this type of plaid, but eh. And then I think that these pants are nice, but I feel like they're just a little too casual. I wouldn't want him wearing them out on a date night. He might be okay wearing them to work, but I am not okay with those on a date night. I just feel like they look more like blue jeans. And then, of course, the shoes again. So if I have my say on this fix, which I usually always do, which I always usually do, I think he will get the pants from the first outfit, the dark gray pants. I feel like the shirts are fitting a little too tight, and I feel like the second pair of pants are a little too casual, but we will put a photo in the corner of what he actually decides to keep. He will either keep one or the other, or he will end up keeping both. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's really raw. I've never done a Stitch Fix with the camera on him before, so it's a little different for us. It's very raw. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have a nice day. Bye.